class. This is Ravi Singh, your computer science teacher, and today I came here with our new chapter, that is using Python libraries. In this chapter we are going to discuss some important topics like modules, what are the libraries, what are the modules, and how to import some modules in Python, and how we can use some modules as well as objects in Python libraries. Clear? This is very important chapter for the examination, and we will get lot of questions from this chapter. In this video we will discuss about what is a library, what is a module, and how to import some modules as well as some objects in specified modules. Clear? As well as we will discuss about some important topics or important small programs which is very important for the examination. Now the chapter name is using Python libraries, in which what we have to discuss? We have to discuss the first topic, that is what is a library. Second topic, what is a module, and the third one is how to import modules. Clear? So that we can easily use some module in a Python program. Now our first topic is what is library. Actually library is a collection of, a library refers to a collection of modules that together cater to perform a specific type of needs or applications. Clear? A library refers to a collection of modules that together cater to perform a specific type of needs or applications. Clear? Now what is library? Our first topic is, I am going to write the definition of the library on the board, so that you can easily understand what is a library. A library in Python. Clear? We have discussed about some functions in Python. Now we are going to discuss library in Python. What is library? A library refers to a library refers to a collection of what? Collection of modules that together cater to specific type of needs or specific types of needs or applications. Clear? This is the definition of library. A library refers to a collection of modules that together cater to specific type of needs or applications. Clear? It's a collection of modules. A library is a collection of modules. Different type of modules, when different types of modules comes together to cater a specific type of need or applications, this is called what? This is called a library. Clear? Now some commonly used Python libraries. Now we are going to discuss some commonly used Python libraries. Clear? A library can have multiple modules. We have to remember that a library can have multiple modules in it. Clear? एक लाइब्रेरी में बहुत सारे मॉड्यूल्स हो सकते हैं, like a library which can include a math module, a random module, numpy module, or scipy module also. Clear? Library can have multiple modules. Now, what is our next topic? Our next topic is some commonly used Python libraries. Some mainly and commonly used Python libraries are given on the board, in which the first one is Python standard libraries, which includes different kind of libraries in it, different kind of modules in it, which are the math module, the random module, statistics module, URL lib module and CMath module, as well as numpy module, tkinter module, matplotlib library and scipy library, scipy library, numpy library, scipy library, matplotlib library and tkinter library. Clear? Our first library is Python standard library, which include a math module as well as CMath module, a random module, statistic module and URL lib module. In Python standard library, the first module is the math module, which provides mathematical functions to support different types of calculation. Math module provide different type of mathematical, which provides different kind of mathematical functions to support different type of calculation. It provides different type of mathematical functions to support different type of calculations, while the CMath module provides mathematical functions for complex. C stands for complex. CMath module, complex math module for complex number. It handles complex numbers in library. Clear? The random module, which is used to generate random number in a given range. This random module is used to generate random number in a given range. Clear? Now, the statistics module. Statistics module provides mathematical statistics function. Mathematical statistics function. Clear? And URL lib module provides or it handles the URL. Clear? URL lib functions module, URL lib module handles the URL. Clear? Uniform resource locator. This module is used to handle the uniform resource locator. Clear? Now, the numpy library. Numpy library. Clear? Numpy library provides some advanced math functionalities along with tools to create and manipulate numeric arrays. Numpy library provides specific or special mathematical functions or advanced math functionalities to create and manipulate numeric arrays. The next module is library is SCI scipy library, which is used to offer algorithmic and mathematical tools for scientific calculation. Actually, this library provides to handle or calculate the scientific calculations. Clear? Scientific calculations. tkinter library. Next library is tkinter library, which provides traditional Python user interface toolkit and help you to create user friendly GUI interface. tkinter library is used to create GUI, user friendly GUI interface. Clear? And matplotlib library is used to plot the charts, graphs and plots, etc. Clear? Now, our next topic is what is a module? Module. A Python module is a normal Python file or normal .py file which contains more than two objects. Clear? What is a module? A module is a normal Python means .py. The file extension of Python is .py or .pyx. .py normal Python file which contain two or more than two objects. Clear? These two objects, two or more than two objects. Objects means the examples of objects are like doc strings. Doc strings are quoted in either triple quotes. In triple quotes, the statements, जो हम statements लिखते हैं in triple quotes, वो आपका doc string है for documentation. Clear? Doc string, variables, constants, doc strings, variable, constants. Clear? Statements and functions, etc. Clear? What is a module? A module is a normal Python file which contain two or more than two objects. A Python module is a file containing variable, class, definitions, statements and function related to a particular task. What is a Python module? A Python module is a file containing variables, class, definitions, statements and functions, etc. Clear? Suppose XYZ is the name of any program. This is the example of a Python module, and if we save this module with .py extension, now this becomes a Python file. Clear? A module is a kind of program or subprogram which contains some variables, doc strings, statement functions, etc. Clear? Now, our next topic is how to import modules in Python. How to import modules, importing modules in a Python program. The next topic is importing modules in Python programs. We can import modules in different ways. We can import all the modules, import entire module in one go, or we can import different objects of a module in one go. Like to import math module. How? Example, how to import math module. We can import math module in different ways, like to import, the first method is to import entire module, to import entire module, and to import selected objects in a module. Import entire module and import selected selected objects in module. Clear? What is the method to import entire module? This is a very simple statement by which we can easily import the entire module in a Python program. The statement is import, and then what you have to write? You have to write the name of module. Clear? I will further specify. I will clear what we have to write in this bracket. Clear? Clear? Now import selected objects in module. Suppose I want to import the pi object or the power object in a math module which comes under maths module. पाई की वैल्यू जो है वो आपका 3.1416 एंड so on आती रहती है, but we have to write the value of pi 3.14 which is already stored in Python library, but we automatically want to use the pi value of pi in our Python program or in our Python module. Clear? Now what we have to do? We have to select a single object. Clear? Import selected objects in module. What is the method? From. We have to use from, then we have to write the module name, from module, then what? Import and then object. What is the statement? From, then what you have to write? The name of the module. From module, what we have to do? We have to import what? What we have to import? We have to import object. From module, then import what? We have to import object. Clear? This is the method to import module in a program, or how to import math module in a Python program. Import entire module. To import entire module, what we have to write? We have to write the syntax import, then name of the module. If we want to import some selected objects in module, what we have to write? What is the syntax to import the selected modules? The syntax is from, then module name, then import and then object name. Clear? Now check this example. Example to import math module. Clear? What is the syntax? The syntax is we have to write import, then the name of the module. Which module we want to import? I want to import math module. Import math. Clear? By writing this syntax, we can easily import the whole module in a Python program. But to import selected object in a module, suppose I want to import only pi object which comes under the math module. What is the syntax? Syntax is here. First of all, we have to write from, then what we have to do? We have to write the module from math, then what we have to do? We have to import from math, import, then what we have to import? We have to import the object, import pi. Clear? In very similar way, we can import the power function, power object POW. We can import square root SQRT from this command. Clear? Now I want to import two different objects in a module in single syntax or in single statement. With the help of single statement, I want to import two different object under maths module. Clear? What is the syntax? From, then module name is math. From math, what? We have to import, then what you have to import? You have to import two objects, and the object objects name are, suppose I want to import sqrt comma power. Clear? By writing this way, by separated by comma, we can import sqrt object and power object in math module. Clear? Or to import all the objects. Clear? Okay. Now I am going to include one example. I am going to include an example, a Python, small Python code through which I can print the result of pi by importing math module and by importing pi object. Clear? How we can print the value of pi? First of all, what I have to do, I have to call the module from math. Then what I have to do? I have to import what? I have to import the object of function name, import what I have to import? Pi. Clear? Then what I have to do? I have to print the value of pi so that I can easily get the value of pi on ideally. Clear? Then what I have to do? I have to print the value of pi. When we import pi function as an object in a program, when we import from math is a module, when we import pi function in a program, then we can print the value of pi. If we write this statement, if we write on ideally, simply if we write print dot pi, then we will not get any output on the ideally, it will produce an error. Clear? It will produce an error. The reason is because we haven't imported any module, and pi function comes under maths module. That is why we have to import the module, and then we can easily use the program, the value of pi in a program. Clear? Done? This is all about the basics of Python libraries. In our next upcoming video, we will discuss about how to import different math modules and different objects, and lot of questions based on modules and Python libraries. That is all for the today. Thank you.